Hey there, my name is Hessel, and in this video I'm gonna show you exactly how to add a TikTok pixel to your Shopify store. This is gonna be a complete step-by-step tutorial that will walk you through the entire process from start to finish. And if you've been trying to run TikTok ads for your Shopify store, you absolutely need to have your pixel set up correctly. Without it, you're basically throwing money away because you won't be able to track conversions, optimize your campaigns, or create retargeting audiences. The good news is that setting up your TikTok pixel is actually pretty straightforward. I'm gonna show you the easiest and most reliable method to do it. So by the end of this video, you have your TikTok pixel completely installed. So let's dive right into the tutorial. Now the first step in setting up your TikTok pixel is making sure you have a TikTok ads account. If you already have an ads account, you can skip ahead to the next step, but if you don't, let me quickly show you how to create one. Head over to ads.tiktok.com and hit enter. And right here we can select I'm an advertiser and click get started. Then here you want to fill in your email address and create a password, and then click this box and click on continue. Then you want to verify your email address, just like that, and then fill in your business information right here. Then once you filled it in, click sign up, and now you successfully created your TikTok Ads Manager account. Now what you want to do, you want to go to the top right, and here you can see your advertising ID. Take note of this ID, especially if you have access to multiple ads accounts, as we need to confirm this later. Once we have all of this set up, we need to install the TikTok channel app on our Shopify store. For that, obviously, you want to go to Shopify, and by using the TikTok channel app, this is by far the easiest way to set up the pixel. On your dashboard on the left sidebar, you want to go to Add Apps right here. They want to go to get more recommendations in the Shopify App Store, and then right here you want to type in TikTok. Then you want to look for the official TikTok app. As you can see, there are many knockoffs. It's this one right here, which is free to install. So we click on that and hit install right here. Now once again, you want to click install right here. And this app makes setting up everything between Shopify and TikTok much easier. Once the app is installed, you'll see a screen that looks like this. Now we're ready to move on to the next step. Now we need to connect our Shopify store to our TikTok ads account and set up the pixel. So click on setup now or connect account depending on what you see on the screen, and then this will take you to a page where you need to connect your TikTok business account. So here we click connect as well, and now it's going to ask to connect your TikTok for business account to your Shopify account. So we click connect. And because we're already logged in to our TikTok Ads Manager account right here on the same browser, this goes automatically. Now right here we can see our Ads Manager account with the ID. Now if you have multiple, scroll down to select the right account for you. For me, I only have one, so I click connect here once again. After this, you'll be asked about your data sharing preferences. Now TikTok offers 3 options: standard, enhanced, and maximum. Now with the best result with TikTok ads, I recommend to select maximum right here. This gives TikTok the most information to optimize your campaigns. However, if you have privacy concerns or restrictions in your region, you might need to choose a different option right here. Just make sure that your privacy policy page reflects the usage of your customer data. So by selecting this, you might need to adjust your privacy policy page. So once again, we can click confirm right here. Now this is all done. Now we need to provide some extra company information. So click setup and then fill in your information right here. Then once this is done, you want to hit the blue confirm button. And then there we go. We can finish by clicking finish setup. Now we link the account, but you haven't actually set up the pixel yet. So that's what we're going to do next. Then that's how simple it is. Your TikTok pixel is now installed on your Shopify store. Now for me, it says this account is still pending in review. And that's because I created my TikTok Ads Manager just a few minutes ago in this video. However, if you're using an older account, this shouldn't be here and it should already be linked correctly. Now from here, you should see a confirmation screen that shows you the options to set up campaigns from here, but I recommend creating those directly through the TikTok Ads Manager for more control. Now before we wrap up, let's make sure your pixel is actually working correctly. And the best way to do that is by installing the TikTok Pixel Helper as a Chrome extension. So simply search for that in Google. As you can see, the first result is already from the Chrome Web Store. We click on this and then we add this one to Chrome. There we go, click add extension. And now we should see this pop up that it has been installed. Then from here, you want to go to your Shopify store and then click on view website. And now we're on the actual website on our domain. Then you want to go to extensions right here, click the TikTok Pixel Helper extension. And as you can see, I get the notification, 1 pixel found on your domain. The pixel now says page view because I am actually viewing the homepage, but now we'll track other data as well from your customers, like conversions and basically everything they're doing on your site. Now to test other events as well, just interact with your store. For example, go to catalog, actually do a test order, click on cancel order, and then all of that information, as you can see right here, collection viewed, which I just did, should show in the pixel. Now, if you don't see these events yet, it can take up to 24 hours to properly load. And while I'm actually already seeing the actions right here through the extension, it can also take longer to show in our actual TikTok Ads Manager account. You can check this data manually by going to your TikTok Ads Manager account, going to Tools and then to Events, where all the events should be shown. And that's it, you've successfully installed the TikTok Pixel on your Shopify store. Now you can track all important events, create custom audiences for retargeting, and optimize your campaigns for conversions. Now if you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more e-commerce and marketing tutorials. And if you have any questions about setting up your TikTok Pixel, drop them in the comments down below and do my best to help you. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.